Our business primary role is building racing engines and doing engine machine work. Dirt track racing, drag racing, truck pulling. We strive to be number one. My name's Joe Creason. I'm owner of Creason Racing Engines. I've been in business for 30 years. As I grew up as a little kid, I always was fascinated with things mechanical. I actually took my mom's tiller, made a go-kart out of it. Racing go-karts. My dad raced sprint cars. He would actually assemble his own engines, but would have to outsource all the machine work. We buy one machine, and next thing you know, we buy another machine. And it was out of necessity, just so we can have it all in-house and control the quality of work and make a better product. My motivation to start Creason Race Engines was to build a better engine than my competitor. I wanted to win and just build a better engine than we could buy. We have a lot of customers that have won championships, national championships. Our biggest victory, I feel, was the Engine Master engine. We built an engine for that. They actually tear the engine down there to make sure the engine met all the rules. And after all that, we were deemed a winner. And it was all the machining was done on the Rottler machines. That was our own engine. Still own it today. It's one engine that's not for sale, but that was the most memorable one. In engines, obviously cylinder airflow, camshaft technology makes huge power, but you can't leave nothing on the table. It's all of it. Bearing clearances, your drag, your rings, your ring finish, your cylinder wall finish, parasitic losses, matching the camshaft to the RPM range of the engine. Every piece of the puzzle has to be looked at. On the engines we build, we focus on everything.
My name is Alex Bickle. I've been working here at Creason Racing Engines for about 6 years. Wherever the business needs are, I will go to the block department, machine blocks, and our new H85 hone, or our F69 mill, or I'll be assembling engines too. So.
Right now we're doing an early big block Chevy that did not have a groove for oiling the lifters.
And our F69, we're cutting the number 5 cam bearing in a big block Chevy right now to cut the groove in there, so we don't have to run the special cam in the groove that some of the big block Chevys have to run.
We just wrote a program, machine that groove in the back of that block. Now we can just use the common parts. And it actually technically oils better that way too.
With our new Rottler machines, they enhance our business by being able to produce higher quality products. We're able to hold dimensional accuracy much better.
I've been using Rottler machines for over 20 years now. We have an H85 AX hone. Absolutely fabulous machine. We have the F69A, the S8 surfacer, and we have a SG7 seat guide machine.
So not only do our Rottler machines allow us to have more a production mindset and get more things done, but they're also very universal in the sense that we do engines for race cars, but sometimes we have those oddball projects. Like my boss, he flies airplanes, so sometimes we'll actually have an airplane jug inside of our hone.
For all the machining, it makes it go a lot faster, more precise, and we can do all custom jobs in it. We've done crazy things. Anything you can think of, we do in there.
Just being able to handle more of a diverse portfolio really allows us to take on projects that we normally wouldn't be able to do.
So all these machines definitely help with speeding up the process, and everybody knows today time's money.